How to make smart objects editable. There are two types of smart objects, the editable and uneditable. Editable smart objects, once saved, reflect in the main file. Imported images come in as uneditable smart objects, but layers created in that document, once converted to smart objects, become editable. To make imported images editable, right-click on the layer and select Rasterize Layer. Then right-click again and select Convert to Smart Object. With this done, the layer becomes editable. To edit a smart object once converted, double-click the layer icon. This will open the layer on a different tab, allowing you to edit. When done with editing, go to File and click on Save or use the shortcut Ctrl+S.